graduation at Base Institute of Technology and Sciences in Andhra Pradesh. I joined Jspiders in the month of August. I placed in a company called Tech Mahindra. There were 5 rounds. One is aptitude and then coding round. Third is communication round. Fourth is in technical interview and fifth is HR round. I took a Java full stack course in Jspiders Hebbal, where I learned Java, web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, SQL. And I would like to thank all the faculties and HRs in Jspiders Hebbal for what and all the knowledge I have gained here. And